Here is the final product. The heart is installed in the skeleton's rib cage. It's attached with some cord with hooks that will let my friend take the heart out in case of bad weather or to make sure that no one walks away with it. The lighting is definitely bright enough to light up the rib cage, and he's going to add some uplight for accent. Here, around back, the electronics are installed in this waterproof box to keep them safe and out of the weather. I really hope you've enjoyed coming along with me on this project, from its design and printing through the wiring and programming of everything. It's been a really fun project, and I'm hoping to bring you more fun projects like this soon. So if you have any ideas for things you'd like to see, by all means leave us a comment.